This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering your ingredients and setting clear ratios for consistent results. Use 1 scoop, 30 g, protein to 8 Oz, 240 ml, liquid. Choose water, milk, or 1/2 cup yogurt for creaminess, and consider 1 cup almond milk for a nutty base. Add 1 tablespoon peanut butter or 1 teaspoon honey for flavor, and include 1/2 banana for texture if desired. Measure liquids with a cup or 200. Decide on your mixing method based on texture and time. Use a blender for smooth texture or a shaker for quick mixing. A blender purees fruit and thick add-ins. Blend with ice for chilled shake, or use room temperature liquid to avoid clumps when you want a silky mouthfeel. Mix 3. 5 ounces Greek yogurt for creamier protein, or 8 Oz water for lighter drink. Add 1 to 2 ice cubes, pulse 10 to 15 seconds, and check consistency before serving. Understand when and how to use your protein drink for maximum benefit. Drink within 30 minutes post-workout for best recovery when muscles are most receptive to amino acids. Store pre-mixed shakes in fridge up to 24 hours in sealed container to maintain freshness, but shake again before drinking. A typical 30 g scoop provides about 20-25 g protein and 150-200 calories, so adjust portions to meet daily macronutrient goals. Track additions like 1 tablespoon oil or 2 tablespoons oat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.